Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add Instagram to TikTok. So adding your Instagram account to your TikTok profile can help increase your online presence and allow your TikTok followers to connect with you on Instagram. So we are here with some easy method to add Instagram to TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then tap on the Me icon or profile icon at the bottom right corner to navigate to your TikTok profile. So after you tap on it, look for the edit profile button and tap on it. This will allow you to edit your profile settings. So after you tap on the edit profile, scroll down until you find the section where you can add your Instagram account. There should be an option labeled Instagram or add Instagram. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is log into your Instagram account and tap on the save icon available after it. So that's it guys. After that you can check your profile and you should see your Instagram username displayed on your TikTok profile. So that's it guys. By following these tips you can easily add your Instagram account to your TikTok profile and expand your social media presence. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.